I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Welcome back. We are about to slay our hair for Thanksgiving, and let me tell you, my SD card was not working. I broke my SD card, so I have to record this off my phone. Yay. So I don't know how this video is gonna come out. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I don't know. But today I am doing a slick back ponytail because I don't know what else to do with my hair, and it's giving Chicken Little right now. I've already blow dried and straightened my hair. I'm about to straighten my ends with this baby flat iron, and then I'm gonna start molding my hair.
Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Remind me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit, lie to me and save my booty, getting bigger even if it ain't. Tell me even if it's rain, tell me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult, you know I be difficult, you know it get difficult. Open your heart up, open, I'll never find out that you're anyone else. Cause I love you, just how you hide. Hope you never find out who I really am. Cause you'll never love me, you'll never love me, you'll never love me. But I believe you when you say it like that. Oh, do you need me when you say it like that? Oh, I believe you when you say it like that. You must really love me. Well, I'm not saying okay. Always begging for I can justify now. In case you come over one again, got no pennies on, I need your support. Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Remind me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit, lie to me and save my booty, getting bigger even if it ain't. Tell me even if it's rain, tell me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult, you know I be difficult, you know it get difficult. Open your heart up, open, I'll never find out that you're anyone else. Cause I love you, just how you hide. Hope you never find out who I really am. Cause you'll never love me, you'll never love me, you'll never love me. But I believe you when you say it like that. Oh, do you need me when you say it like that? Oh, I believe you when you say it like that. You must really love me. Well, I'm not saying okay. Always begging for I can justify now. In case you come over one again, got no pennies on, I need your support. Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Remind me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit, lie to me and save my booty, getting bigger even if it ain't. Tell me even if it's rain, tell me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult, you know I be difficult, you know it get difficult. Open your heart up, open, I'll never find out that you're anyone else. Cause I love you, just how you hide. Hope you never find out who remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Remind me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit. Out of me and save my booty, getting bigger even if it ain't. Tell me even if it rain. Tell me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult. You know I be difficult. You know it get difficult. Open your heart up. Open, I'll never find out that you're anyone else. 'Cause I love you just how you are. Hope you never find out who I really am. 'Cause you'll never love me. You never love me. You'll never love me. But I believe you when you say it like that. Oh, you need me when you say it like that. Oh, I believe you when you say it like that. You must really love me. Well, I'm not saying okay. Always begging for I can disappoint now. In case you come over again. Tell me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult. You know I be difficult. You know it get difficult. Open your heart up. Open, I'll never find out that you're anyone else. 'Cause I love you just how you are. Hope you never find out who I really am. 'Cause you'll never love me. You never love me. You'll never love me. But I believe you when you say it like that.
Guys, so this is what the unveiling. I did my makeup. I finally got myself together. I'm smelling delectable. And I could Mama light done died. I messed this up right here, child, but I have to find some scissors. The way I wrapped it, I should have went the opposite. So this is the ponytail. It's the ponytail. And this is from Amazon. I will be linking it. Oh, I'll be linking it in the description box below. And I'm loving the straight pony. One day I'm going to try bangs and not be scared. But I barely got hair in the front, child. Had to make sure to slick that up. Cause baby, I'm hairy, okay? I'm hairy. If I was a man, all this would be connected. Cause look at that. That is ridiculous. Yeah. They said I was supposed to go to cosmetology school when I turned 18, but I didn't. Bye.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know.